Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Intraday Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So I'm sorry that I couldn't post video for the last 2 days. I was unwell and I had severe throat infection and was finding difficult to speak. But now I'm almost all right. So let's jump into the analysis. So in the morning, I had mentioned the Telegram channel that market, though it is opening with a huge gap down, but recovery was possible, and the way it recovered, especially Bank Nifty, was seriously unbelievable. And the algo also took the right trade at the right time and gave us good profits. And yes, the analysis worked well. So whatever we plan or we thought, when it works, it really makes happy about it. So on a daily chart, we have a strong bull candle. So Nifty is definitely bullish, but not that bullish like Bank Nifty. But if you look at Bank Nifty, it shows a strong candle here. So can we expect that it will break the all-time high and continue further? This we will definitely discuss in our weekly analysis that we'll be doing during the weekends. But right now, I thought the data would be completely, completely bullish, but that's not the case. So let's look at the data first, so that we understand what the big players are planning. Just a second. So basically, I expected that FIs would have covered a lot of index shorts. So basically, yesterday they covered about 25,000 shorts in loss, and they still had about 75,000 shorts in the system. So I thought today's gap down, they may cover that shorts. But what could have happened is, for today's rally I'm talking about, so what could have happened is DIIs also were carrying around 70,000 shorts in the index futures. So probably they might have covered, but that was also not the case. And because they are still holding some short positions, but I don't really calculate their short positions, so that's okay. So let's just talk about FIs and pros today. So today, if you see, FIIs have closed the long positions in index future 4891, and they have added again 17,457 shorts. So this is completely confusing us, because yesterday they covered 25,000 shorts and added 17,500 shorts again. So definitely, since market is trading around all-time high, so people might take some bearish positions for some profit bookings. So that could be the case. So overall position, net short, definitely they are short in the futures. They have also shorted call options, and they have carried put longs. Okay, so we may see some down move tomorrow is what we can understand from the data. And at the same time, if you look at pros, they have closed a lot of shorts today, so this could be one of the reason for the rally, and they have created some long positions in the index futures. However, they have shorted extremely good quantity of calls. This could be maximum in Nifty and some minimum in Bank Nifty, and they have also done some put shorts. Okay, so market doesn't seem to be one side or upside rally again for tomorrow at least. So let's see how we can plan out the day for tomorrow. So let me move into a smaller time frame, 5 minutes. And so I'm just trading based on Fibonacci these days. since we are busy working in upgrading the Algo based on the API version 2 for Alice Blue, I don't really look at much of support resistance that I used to create before, but totally working on Fibonacci levels. So right now what I've did is I've marked the Fibonacci level from today's low to today's high. Okay, so you can follow the same, and this will give you pretty much good idea where you need to take the trade. So definitely we can expect that this area, some call shorts are definitely there. Okay, call shorts and put longs. So tomorrow what we can do is, this last swing. So what is the range exactly? It is around 41,457. So you can consider that if Bank Nifty is opening below 41,500, then we may continue to be a little bit bearish. I would not say bearish, but at least we can expect some profit booking. And since it's an expiry day and today we saw a strong trend, so tomorrow's day it can be a little volatile. Okay, and that too, FIs and pros are having similar sort of position, so we may see some volatility definitely in the market. So below 41,500, if Bank Nifty opens, we may trade here for some time, and once we break this low, we can see a target of, the first target will be, so okay, let's see where we need to enter. So if we are opening below 41,500, say it is opening around 41 460 or 480, something like that, a slight gap up, you can immediately go short. Okay, with this swing as your SL. So when you enter immediately when the market opens, I always prefer selling calls rather than buying puts. Okay, the confirmation will happen once it comes down and breaks this range. Okay, the last swing low. So once it closes below 41,310, we can expect a target of 41,115, and then the last target should be 40,957. So these are the targets that we are looking at uh, basically tomorrow for the expiry. Okay, and just in case if you get at this level 40,800, this will be a buyer's point. Okay, so in case it comes, do not go short here. This should always be taken as a buying opportunity because it is a retracement level of 0.618. Okay, so since based on the position, we are only planning downside trades. Similarly, if we look at Nifty, Nifty is also like it's weaker than Bank Nifty. So in case of any opening around say this level, uh, which is around 18,040, just imagine if we get a gap up around 18,040, uh, with an SL of 18,080, we can go short. And so at this place I'm talking about, and the further confirmation will be below 17,970. So in case if we open flat and we immediately break this low, you can take a put here, and your target will be directly 17,890. Okay, this 0.618 level here will definitely book the positions and hold on. Then the market can remain in this range for the entire day being volatile, and similarly in Bank Nifty it can remain that way. And I'm not discussing the upper levels, uh, but just in case if Bank Nifty breaks out in any way, not going to discuss about Nifty, but just in case if Bank Nifty breaks out the upper level, which is 41,626, the next target that you can expect is, I've taken the target here, let me quickly check that. It is, oh, not this one. Where did it go? Okay, I think I deleted that by mistakenly. Let me just put that again. So basically, we are going to use Fibonacci trend-based extension. So for that, we take this low, we take this high, and we take this swing low. Okay, so that will take you to the next target is 41,812. So 41,812, and 41,970. Okay, but upside, definitely I'm not very strong on the upside, but let's plan a day for the downside. So any gap down opening, I don't think so we may see a very big gap down, but again, gap down opening means, say if it opens below this level, okay, and if we get this retracement, we'll definitely take a put. This is in case of both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so that's the analysis for tomorrow. Let's meet in another video, and till then, take care. Bye bye.